Looking to capture smooth, professional-looking footage on your adventures? The best gimbal for action camera ensures steady shots even in the most extreme conditions. Compact, durable, and easy to use, it's perfect for any outdoor enthusiast. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DJI Osmo Mobile 7P Gimbal. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7P Gimbal is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to elevate their smartphone videography. Designed with the modern creator in mind, it combines a multifunctional module that integrates intelligent tracking, DJI Mic 2/DJI Mic Mini reception, and lighting features into one compact unit. This makes it an ideal companion for content creators who want versatile shooting options without carrying multiple accessories. One of the standout features of the Osmo Mobile 7P is its robust 3-axis gimbal stabilization, which ensures smooth and lossless footage even when filming fast-paced action or moving scenes. This stability allows you to create professional quality videos with minimal effort, whether for social media, vlogs, or cinematic projects. Pairing it with the DJI Mimo app unlocks a variety of tools like shot guides and one-tap edit, simplifying the editing process and enabling you to produce polished content quickly. The gimbal's intuitive magnetic phone mounting design allows for effortless setup, and the app pops up automatically so you can start filming almost immediately. Additional features such as the built-in extension rod and tripod offer creative freedom for wide selfies, steady vlogs, and dynamic shots from unique angles. With a maximum operating time of 10 hours, the Osmo Mobile 7P ensures that your filming sessions aren't cut short, even during long shoots. Dual lens enhanced tracking further improves accuracy and stability, making it easier to capture moving subjects seamlessly. Lightweight and portable, it's convenient for travel or daily use while still delivering professional-grade performance. Number 2. DJI RS3 Mini Gimbal. The DJI RS3 Mini Gimbal is a compact and lightweight stabilizer designed for filmmakers and videographers who need professional performance without the bulk. Weighing only 795 grams, 1.75 pounds, this gimbal is highly portable and perfect for travel, allowing you to hold it comfortably for extended shooting sessions. Despite its small size, the RS3 Mini is powerful enough to support a wide range of cameras and lenses with a load capacity of up to 2 kilograms, 4.4 pounds, making it compatible with most mirrorless, DSLR, and compact cameras. Its third-generation RS stabilization algorithm ensures smooth, professional-level footage even when capturing low-angle shots, fast movements, or filming under challenging conditions. The gimbal also supports native vertical shooting, enabling seamless content creation for social media platforms. And the quick release plate ensures easy setup and swapping between horizontal and vertical shots. One of its highlights is the 1.4-inch full-color touchscreen, which provides an intuitive interface for adjusting settings, accessing modes, and monitoring battery life at a glance. The Bluetooth shutter control feature allows the camera to reconnect automatically after initial pairing, making it simple to control video recording and photo capture directly from the gimbal. The RS3 Mini is part of DJI's renowned Ronin series, which is known for reliability and advanced stabilization, so users benefit from both hardware and software support through the DJI Ronin app, including firmware updates and full functionality activation. Its combination of portability, versatility, and pro-grade stabilization makes the DJI RS3 Mini Gimbal an excellent choice for both amateur creators and professional filmmakers looking for a lightweight yet highly capable camera stabilizer that fits into tight spaces and travel setups. Number 3. Hohem 3-axis Gimbal. The Hohem 3-axis gimbal is an excellent stabilizer for action cameras, delivering hyper-smooth footage even in the most dynamic environments. Equipped with the 5.0 iSteady technology, this gimbal ensures that every movement is stabilized, making it ideal for running, biking, skating, or capturing vlogs and travel adventures. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to carry, while the quick release clip allows users to mount and unmount action cameras in seconds, providing a hassle-free experience. The gimbal is controlled through the Hohem app, which functions as a remote, allowing you to adjust stabilizer settings and choose from multiple shooting modes, including motor direction adjustments, time-lapse, and one-click videography. This flexibility ensures that even beginners can create professional-looking content with minimal effort. The Hohem 3-axis gimbal also meets IPX4 water resistance standards, protecting the motors from splashes and light rain, which is crucial for outdoor filming. Its powerful 3600 mAh battery provides up to 14 hours of continuous shooting, supporting extended time-lapse videos, outdoor adventures, and long recording sessions without worrying about running out of power. This combination of durability, stability, and user-friendly features makes the Hohem gimbal a versatile tool for action camera enthusiasts, vloggers, and travelers who require a reliable stabilizer for capturing smooth and dynamic footage.
Number 4. FeiyuTech Scorp Gimbal. The FeiyuTech Scorp gimbal is a versatile 4-in-1 stabilizer suitable for mirrorless cameras, compact cameras, smartphones, and action cameras. Its lightweight design and modular build make it ideal for creators who need a flexible solution without carrying multiple gimbals. One of its standout features is the AI Tracking 4.0 technology, offering instant 360-degree infinite tracking with a maximum distance of 18 meters. With a 0.003-second response time and a 40% expanded tracking view, the Scorp gimbal ensures accurate subject following, making it perfect for solo creators and action shots. The integrated grip handle enhances ergonomics for high and low angle shooting, while its detachable handle doubles as a remote control, allowing for long distance operation and versatile filming options. Supporting a payload of up to 2 kilograms, 4.4 pounds, it accommodates larger cameras and lens setups, providing stability without compromising portability. Additionally, the modular quick-release plate and fixed slider allows for seamless switching between horizontal and vertical shots, enhancing shooting efficiency and creative possibilities. Number 5. Hohem iSteady MT2 Gimbal. The Hohem iSteady MT2 Gimbal is a feature-packed stabilizer designed for action cameras, mirrorless cameras, pocket cameras, and smartphones. It comes with an AI tracker that intelligently follows subjects, keeping them perfectly centered in the frame, making it an excellent tool for vloggers and content creators. The Multi 4.0 quick installation system allows for effortless mounting and switching between landscape and portrait orientations in just 3 seconds, adhering to the ARCA stand-in for broad compatibility. Equipped with the upgraded iSteady 7.0 anti-shake algorithm, this gimbal provides a 30% increase in stability compared to previous models, resulting in ultra-smooth footage even during fast or jittery movements. Despite its advanced features, the gimbal is lightweight, weighing only 1.44 pounds, ensuring portability and comfort during extended filming sessions. The MT2 also offers multiple expansion ports, enabling the addition of microphones, lights, and other accessories for professional quality setups. With a total load capacity of 2.64 pounds, it accommodates a wide range of devices, supporting cameras up to 5.27 inches in width and 3.96 inches in height.